friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to review the product of Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Detoxing Mineral Pack, which deeply cleanses and purifies our skin. Okay, the MRP is of rupees 395. So you can see the packaging. It is very nice and it is suitable for normal to oily skin. It's been written here, and how to apply it I will show you. Okay, and it doesn't contain any harsh chemicals, and it is paraben free, and plus it is alcohol free. Okay, it's a very nice product, so let's try it. Okay, I have already washed my face, so now I am directly applying. You can see my face. Whatever things I have. Okay, now let me start the how to apply. Just apply thick layer of it. As you can see, I have applied all over my face. You can apply here to your neck also, but as I'm making a video, I can't apply here, and you have to make wait for 15 to 20 minutes or till it gets dried up. As you can see, the facial pack has been dried up. So now I'll go and wash my face and show you the result. After washing my face, you can see the results itself. My skin has been improved a lot, and I love this product actually. Important ingredient is the zeolite clay, organic salt, and a sandalwood. These three are very important. Glycerin will be there in order to soften your skin. So it's a very nice product, and I would recommend this product to be used. So if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my channel and never miss to watch my future updated videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.